What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I am going to show you how to make money with Clickbank 100% free. It's a Clickbank tutorial and in this video I will show you a unseen method, a brand new method that will help you to make Clickbank commission per day, per week, per month. So guys, let's check into my computer and see step by step all the methods I will show in this video. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer Clickbank, JBJU and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. So guys, first thing first, if you don't subscribe my YouTube channel or if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on online marketing, affiliate marketing, and if you want to long run your online marketing journey, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. And you see here I am uploading videos in the daily basis and a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. So if you are a beginner or if you want to make big money by affiliate marketing, online marketing, then my YouTube channel will help me a lot. Now guys, in this video I will show you how to make money with Clickbank for free. You don't need to run any ad campaign, you don't need to make any website, you don't need to make videos in front of camera, but it's so simple and so easy. So guys, enjoy this video step by step A to Z, and if you like this video then like this video, and if you have any question then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video if this video helpful for others. So guys, before starting this, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new videos. So guys, let's start. Check into my computer. So at first you see here it's clickbank.com and you need to make a Clickbank account for promoting Clickbank products, and you see here go sign up. It's 100% free. Simply sign up your Clickbank account, your email address, your password, term and condition, and just create your Clickbank account first. After creating your Clickbank account, go Clickbank Marketplace. You see here it's the Clickbank Marketplace. Search dog training. Sorry. You see here all the dog training products here. You can choose any of the product. You see here dog training secret. So you can choose any of the product. So dog training secret. Now click this promote button and grab your affiliate link. After grabbing your affiliate link, visit tinyurl.com. Just paste your URL and make tiny your URL. Okay. After that, you have to do the main task of promoting your dog training secret. Now go youtube.com. You need to create an YouTube channel don't be afraid, you don't need to make videos like me. So just create a YouTube account. Let's see. Don't be afraid. Go here, settings. You see here, add or manage your channel. Okay, fine. See here, create a new channel. You can make your personal, you can use your personal on your own name, or dog training related any name. So here you can put any name, it doesn't matter. You need to do your task carefully, it's the matter. So create your account. Oh, sorry. Mm, DT 24/7. Sorry. And now put my Bhadra. DT. Okay, fine. Bhadra dog training. You can put any name as you wish. Now customize channel. You need a icon here. Okay, then you can put your channel art here and its lengthy process, and you can make it as your wish, as your own choose. Now you have to do go YouTube again. Now search dog training videos. Now you have to filter the CC videos, the Creative Commons videos. Creative Commons means YouTube reused allowed videos. So you can use other people's video as your own, and there is no copyright, there is no strike. So you can easily do it. So filter here, Creative Commons. Again see here this Creative Commons. Okay. Now if you see this video, open at first, you have to open this video for checking is it Creative Commons or not. See more. You see here it's an Creative Commons Attribution License, reused allowed. So you can easily download this video and upload to your YouTube channel. Okay, fine. Now I will I already downloaded a video. Now I will upload it. You see here how to train dog as a beginner. Okay, it's an CC video or Creative Commons video. Then you can put your description. You can put your description here. Okay, as your own. Just it's the title, how to train a dog as a beginner, then top tips. Okay, fine. Then put your description and set your URL like this. Get dog training tips here. Then your URL. And you have to wait for your uploading, and you have to choose a catchy thumbnail. It's important for YouTube. At that time, you see here, if this method, if why this method make money for you. You see here, this video 8 months ago 135k views. Okay, this video 3 months ago 65,000 views. This video 1 year ago 21,000. So a lot of views inside all these videos. And dog training, one of the best niche at the present time. Most of the people want to go a bar or want to train a want to train a dog for their own wish, and it's a huge opportunity, huge big niche for making money. A lot of people are running behind this dog training, and so you can easily check here. Sorry, I need to verify for adding thumbnail, but it's all the process, and you can put your thumbnail here, and after processing all this process, then click the next and upload this video. So guys, it's all the method. If this method help you to make money with Clickbank, then like this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new videos. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. It's you can complete this step after a standard duration of SD version. So your my video uploading is processing, and it's all the process, and you have to, I suggest you to upload 3 or 4 videos per day, and it will help you to get results more faster than if you upload one video, or if you gap between days, then you have to wait for getting results. But if you can upload 2 or 3 videos per day, then it's um, very much easier to get faster result. And you see here how much, you see here finish process, and go this next, it's private and publish. That's it. And it's so much easy and so much simple. There is no excuse, and then there is no limitations inside this method. You see here all I show all this method, but there is no limitation. There is no excuse. So at first you have to create Clickbank account, then choose your targeted product from dog training, and make a YouTube channel, then set up all of your channel and download CC video, dog training related CC video, and upload videos. It's so much easy. And in the case of YouTube, you have to focus on title, then your description, and mostly tags. Then in this video you can use how to train dog as a beginner, top tips of dog training for newbie, how to train dogs. That's like you can follow other people's video, their tags. So you open a video, and you see here all the tags in this video. So you can follow other videos to choose your tags, but I recommend you to maintain according to your title. It will help to rank your videos. So guys, that's it. It's so much easy and so much simple, and it's totally a different way to make money with Clickbank. I think no one follow this method, but if you can start this way, this method, I assure you, you will get the result, and you can make Clickbank commission daily, weekly, monthly. So guys, best of luck, and if this video helped you, then don't forget to like this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video for the others. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra, and it's an educational YouTube channel. You see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel, and it will help you to make more and more money from online. And if you want big money over 10,000 per month like me, then check my number on recommendation, or check my video description. So guys, that's it. Best of luck. See you soon. God bless you.